Hey girl, Ma, what's up? I got some tea. What? Yeah.
Good morning. Today I'm getting my hair done first. It's been a year since I got my hair done, so you can tell it hasn't grown that much. But I'm pretty much just gonna make it lighter and get my roots done and touched up. So I'm gonna bring you on my adventure for that. Outside waiting. I got here 15 minutes early. And then, yeah, I should be done by 2 hopefully. My appointment's at 9:30. Got my Subway, my food. So I'm ready for a long, I want to say good 4 or 5 hours. Done, and oh my gosh, my hair is so ashy. I love it. She did such a good job, and it only took like, I want to say 9:30 to 2:30. Pretty good. She was pretty surprised that my hair lifted, and I am pretty surprised as well. Here is the full result. I love it. I've never been this ashy, as I said, and we kind of try to do like a more of a middle split because I was debating if I should go middle split or not, but I don't know. I feel like it looks okay, but I think I'm gonna stick with my side split. And yeah, that is my birthday hair. She pretty much like did a touch up. I'm super happy with it. Just got my eyebrows done. This one hurt a little more than the other. You can see it's getting red, and they look very fresh. I'm so happy. I haven't got them done in like, I want to say 2-3 weeks, so I definitely needed a cleanup, and I am looking very clean. Sabrina's house, good friend, doing my nails. I'm gonna do some birthday nails. I'm gonna do a marble pink with some golds. So yeah, let's turn these nails into something actually sweet.
I tried to tell you. I had a feeling, but I was just, I don't know. He had a nerve to slide in the DM. We got something for you. He thought he could play us.
I'm so happy with my nails. Like, they look so good. I always am so impressed by Sabrina. She's like amazing. She's able to like just look at one photo and be like, okay, I can do it. And so grateful to have her as a friend. And I actually have achieved a perfect bun. I'm just like so amazed. So I have everything done. I got my hair done, my eyebrows done, and my nails done. And the results of everything will be on my birthday. And I will show you guys how I do my makeup. It is my birthday, and I kind of already started on my eyeliner because I totally forgot I was making a video, but I'm gonna be curling my hair and doing my makeup and getting dressed. So I'm just gonna show you a glimpse of how I guess I'm doing my makeup.
Can't nobody love you like I do, and can't nobody hate you like me too. Always turning nothing into something I do, when it's always you. But even when I leave, I fall right back into you.
Hair is done. It's actually only took me like, I want to say 15-20 minutes, but I pretty much just like a basic curl, and I'm just gonna leave it like this and hopefully somehow floof up this part because it's super flat. For makeup, I did my eyeliner, and I just have to add lashes, I do my eyebrows, and figure out what lipstick I'm gonna use. So I'm gonna show you guys the final results. this is my final look. I added lashes and contacts. Contacts are from TTDI, and then I added fake freckles. And yeah, this is my outfit. Top is from Opali, skirt is from Aritzia, but it's just gonna be an outfit that I used for my photo shoot, and then I'm gonna be changing later for dinner. But yeah, I am glad you guys came with me on this journey. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.
Let's call a spade, baby. We're